Anyway, how nigga, anyway. Anyway, how nigga, anyway. Shit, we can really break it down. Shit like plenty ways. You gotta really plan it out, is what many say. Just make sure when you cross your T's that it's uppercase. See plenty shit fold just cause niggas hesitate. Or shit get watered down cause they tryna polish things. If you like the way that shit sound, you gotta, if you like the way that shit sound, you gotta let it bang. They be like, no way, that ain't how we gon' play. Don't need the whole thing, we can make it more safe. See what you saying, nigga, what you tryna portray. See, this the same nigga out here tryna, ain't tryna compensate, we can say adios. That nigga sweating bullets like he doing cardio. We ain't got time for niggas scared to maybe step on toes. Heaven's knows a perfect time to never know. Anyway, how nigga, anyway. Anyway, how nigga, anyway. Anyway, how nigga, anyway. Shit, we can really break it down. Shit like plenty ways. You gotta really plan it out. That's what many say. Just make sure when you cross the T's that it's uppercase.
I can't curl my teeth on with my teeth right. I can't curl my teeth on with my teeth. Hold on. I can't curl my teeth on with my teeth right now. I'm on beat the pipe, but I can't pipe down. Shit, we don't know in spirit, but I can't right now. Yeah, we were fucking full of weed, but I couldn't finish the trial and shit. Why the room get quiet? Cause we walked in with loud. It's a real gangsta party, so you know not loud. And I love my city, hope that she ain't up like my brow. It be hard to not go get some money when you grew up around the shit. I'll tell you how I got it, but it ain't all from right. Hold that conversation, could it turn out to fight? And a nigga tell my brother, tell my sister, do life. Think this shit gon' go like how you think got it right, nigga. Why you tryna tell me war story around white, bitch? I was sitting in your pity party, but got no time for that. Bitch, you know I'm 10 toes in this shit, got no time for that. My real niggas think decide this shit and we brought it back. You can cosplay it.